Oh, where you going? Where you going? You can do it. There you go. Is that fun? Yeah. Oh, really? The brush over there, yeah? You're kind of sitting on the edge here. Okay, bye. Bye. Where'd Doggy go?
Where's Doggy?
Where's Doggy? Go get Doggy. Get him, Simone. Yeah, get that doggy. Whew, that's close. You got your doggy? Yeah. Where's the brush? Look at Mommy's brush. You left Mommy's brush on the floor. That's a good girl. Oh, give it to Mommy. Give it to Mommy.
Thank you, baby. Oh, just kidding.
Oh, you're just pretending. Is that funny?
Jokester, thank you. Oh. Okay, you brush your hair. Very nice. Very pretty.
Well, that's some good brushing.
Very pretty. Oh, yes.
Oops.
Thank you.
You combing my leg hairs?
Oh, thank you.
Hi. What next, Simone?
Oh, thank you, darling.
Comb Mommy's leg. Everyone gets a turn?
You're busy. Oh, wow.
You're a yo-yo.